close the anklet, I will superpose these two cords, and I will take the third cord that I prepared for the sliding knot. In order to make the sliding knot, I will superpose these two ends of the cord and I'll find the middle of the cord. I will put this cord under the two cords like this, and I will make a knot here like this. So I made a simple overhand knot. Let's see from a closer distance. And now I will start making the sliding knot. I will make a loop, first of all on the right side, then after I make the first knot, I will make the second loop on the left side, then I make another knot, then I again make a loop on the right side and then on the left side. And I will continue making knots until there is no more cord. So let's see how I do that. So I make a loop like this, I put the cord from the right side over the two cords, then I take the cord on the left side, put it over the cord that came from the right side and under the two cords here like this. So under these two cords here. And now I will take the cord and put it from below and take it out like this through the loop that I created. And I make the first knot like this. So as you can see, we have made the first knot of the sliding knot. Now, as I've told you before, I will make another loop but on the left side. Then I take the cord from the right side, put it over this cord, put it under the two cords like this, and then take it out through this loop, this way, like this. And I have created the second knot of the sliding knot. So I have two knots here. And let's continue. I will make another knot on the right side again. I take the cord from the left side, put it over this cord and take it under the two cords to the right side. And now I will take it out through this loop here. And I made a third knot. Again, I make a loop on the left side, put the cord over this other cord that I brought from the left side, under the two cords like this, and then I will take it out through this loop here. And I have the fourth knot. Now again I make a loop on this side and I take this other cord like this through the loop and make the knot. And I will continue making these knots until there is no more cord here. And now that I can no longer make knots because the cord is too short, I will just cut the cord like this. And to prevent these knots from opening, I will just take some glue and apply it on these two ends, like this.